to show you something really exciting.
It's homemade clay!
Woo! For this you will need ingredients which you'll find easily at your home. Flour, cooking oil, salt and water. Mix 1 cup of salt with 1 cup water. It may not get dissolved fully, but dissolve it as much as you can. Now mix 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Pour 2 tablespoons of oil and knead it well. Add a bit more flour and oil to get the right consistency. When you're done, pull it apart to get a teardrop shape. With my mom's help, I'm going to mix acrylic paint to get colorful dough.
Please subscribe to our channel.